In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use grouped tabs in Microsoft Edge. This handy feature is perfect for organizing your browsing workflow, making it easier to keep track of multiple related pages. So let's dive right in and guide you step by step on how to make the most of this tool. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you're there, focus on any open tab in the browser, give it a right click and you'll see a context menu pop up. From this menu, look for the option that says Add Tab to New Group. Clicking this will create a new group for your tab. Now don't worry about the default name that appears for this new group, you're not stuck with it. Simply click on the group name and you'll be able to rename it to something that makes sense for you. This could be anything that captures the theme or purpose of the tabs you're grouping together, like research, like shopping, or work. Once you've assigned a name, you'll want to distinguish your group visually. Microsoft Edge offers a selection of colors for your groups. Select a color that helps you better differentiate this group from others. This color coding can become immensely helpful when you have multiple tab groups open simultaneously. Next, you might want to add more tabs to your newly created group. To do this, go to another tab, right click on it and select Add Tab to Group. Then choose the specific group you want to add it to. This method allows you to effectively manage your workflow by keeping related pages in one place. Now let's talk a bit about managing your groups. Once your tabs are neatly organized, you have several options for handling them. You can easily collapse or expand a group by clicking on the group name. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining a cleaner tab bar and minimizing distractions. If you need to rename or change the color of your group at any point, just right click on the group name. This action will give you the ability to make these adjustments, allowing you to keep your groups as relevant and visually distinct as needed. Finally, let's cover ungrouping tabs. Should you decide to remove a tab from a group, simply right-click on the tab within the group and select Ungroup. This option is useful if you want to shuffle your tabs, or if a tab no longer fits the purpose of the group. That wraps up our guide on using grouped tabs in Microsoft Edge. By following these steps, you'll be able to enhance your browsing experience, making it more organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.